Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla versus Kiryu Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla versus Kiryu Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners, giving it a nice fold, and then just putting this crease down the middle. Next, I'm going to line the corners up one more time, give it another nice fold, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing, and when I turn it this way, I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Kiryu. So, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come back here like this. I'm going to bring this line over and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to come down at an angle and bring it back. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. And a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go down like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then a line that's just going to come up and over. Then I'm going to bring this down with an angle. And the little line's going to come down and then over. I'm going to curve this line over and then down. And then we're going to come over and down. Then we'll just connect this little line. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it back here. Then I'll do another line that's going to come up, and then bring it back. I'll make a little line here, and one here, and then I'm just going to bring these lines down. Then right here I'll draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then one more. It's going to go out and back. And then we'll bring this line down here. I'm going to make a line across here, and a few little curve lines right there. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down here, two little lines. A little extra line there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, kind of curve like this, and then come up. I'm going to bring this line over. Bring this line down and over. Then I'll make a big curve, kind of circle shape like this, with a big circle in it. Make a line that goes down, over, and up. And we'll kind of curve this over with some little lines on it like this. I'm going to bring this line down and over. Then a line that's going to come out, over, and then up here. I'll bring this line down, and then make like a V shape that comes up. Then we'll draw a line down here and a line down here. Then we're going to make a line over here.
And then I'm going to make just a bunch of kind of curvy, wiggly lines in here, just to kind of show that there's going to be a bunch of wires and different things in here.
Now, once we have Kiryu drawn, then we're going to draw Godzilla over here.
So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up like this. And then we'll make a big half circle shape for the eye. I'll make a big pupil in here. And then I'll make a smaller one. And I'll color in most of this pupil, leaving just a little bit white. Make a line that's going to curve around up here and connect. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to here. And then we'll curve a little line for the nose. I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. And we're going to bring it back and curve here. I'll make a few little curved lines right here. And then I'll bring it down for the neck. I'll draw a little line that comes back and then in for the ear. And I'll make that same little shape inside of there too. Right here, I'm going to make some texture and spikes. So I'm just going to kind of come up and down, up and down, up and down, and we're going to do this all the way across. Then I'll make a little line that comes across here. I'm going to make a couple curved lines right here. And then we'll add just some extra spikes right along here.
Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once I open this up, I have two halves. I have Kiryu and Godzilla. So let's start off with Kiryu first.
So I'm going to begin by drawing this line down. I'll bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down and then to an angle. I'll connect this. And then I'm going to bring this line down, over, and down. Same thing here, down, over, and down. Then I'll bring this line down all the way across here. Then I'll draw a line that's going to come down and over. I'm going to bring this line up and then over at an angle. Same thing here, up and then over. And I'll bring a line down here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and curve. Then I'll bring these two lines down here. And I'll bring this line down and then this line down. We'll bring this line over and this one down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, over, and down. And then this line over. Next, I'm just going to make some sharp curved teeth all the way across here. And we'll do the same thing here, just some sharp curved teeth all the way across. Now for Godzilla, I'm going to bring this line down and I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to bring this line over and down here. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then right to here. Next, I'm going to curve this up and I'm going to curve this up. And then I'm going to curve this right here. Bring a little line here. And I'm going to bring some few little curved lines up here just to add some texture. And then I'm going to fill up the mouth with some really sharp teeth. We'll do this on the top and on the bottom. Just put lots of little sharp teeth in there. We'll make a long line that curves up and down and back for the tongue. Now, we're going to make a blast coming out of here. So I'm going to make kind of like a nice fire blast that goes out like this. And then another one here. We're going to put some zigzag lines in here. And then this one, we're going to keep these two lines a little bit straighter. And then we're going to put some big zigzag lines right in here.
And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla vs. Kiryu Surprise Fold. When you have it all folded up, we have the two facing off. And when you open it, they are shooting their blasts at each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.